Hey, it's Kate with WTI. So something that is just needed in the bathroom is wipes. And it can be really hard to find wipes that are decent ingredients. These are from the Honest Company, and I love the Honest Company's products because I know I can always trust their ingredients. They're gonna work hard to deliver an amazing product, but with ingredients I can feel good about. And that's how it is with these wipes. They are amazing. They are plant-based, so I can feel awesome about that. They don't have all the harsh chemicals that usually wipes have. And also what I like about them is that they come in this really cute package with a cute design. So if you need to leave them out and you're not able, if you don't have a lot of storage in your bathroom and maybe you need to leave them where they can be seen, they're not ugly. They're actually kind of cute for wipes, which is awesome. And they have this securely closed top that snaps shut. So that's great too. It's not just like a peel back sticker, which can so easily come off. And I find that with those, the wipes like really dry out easily. So I love that feature. And as far as the wipes themselves go, it's so nice that they're nice and soft. They're not harsh, and you can see what good quality they are. So they're really strong. They've got that awesome thick kind of woven material, and they are perfect for cleaning up a mess, refreshing, whatever it is that you need to use these wipes for. So I really appreciate how durable they are, how gentle they are, that they're made of good ingredients. They're such good quality, and also the package itself looks pretty cute and keeps the wipes nice and secure so they don't dry out. That's just my point of view.